Hi everyone. So here we are again with our next tutorial video. So this time we have question with two separate questions, or one question and two separate questions. So let's read the problem and see how we could work it out. So consider segment XY with midpoint R. So again, our keyword for this question is, of course, midpoint. So basically, for this particular problem, we're going to solve for midpoint of a segment. So again, the midpoint is what? The midpoint of a segment is a point that divides the segment into two equal parts, or into two congruent segments. So if my whole segment is xy, then point R cuts that in half, which means my XR is equal to my RY. So these two segments are basically equal, XR and RY. Again, that is because my midpoint cuts it in equal halves. Okay. So, question letter A, what can be said of XR and RY? They are equal. So they are equal because of the midpoint R. Okay, so that answers question A. Let's have question letter B. If XR is 2x plus 5 inches, again, when we're solving a problem and we have a sketch, all we need to do is, of course, label it so we don't get lost. So it says XR is 2x plus 5 inches. So let's label that. So this is 2x plus 5 inches. And RY is 22 inches long. So let's use a different color for that. So my RY is 22 inches long. What is the value of X? So using this two values, 2x plus 5 equals 22, we can solve for X. Again, R is our midpoint, and it says XR, which is 2x plus 5, is equal to RY, which is 22. So if we set up our equation, it would be something like this: 2x plus 5, which is your XR, equals to your RY, which is 22. Right? And of course, I have a variable here at 2x. So I will keep that. So I will subtract the constant 5 from both sides of my equation. This will be 0. I'm gonna take down 2x equals, I have 22 minus 5. That gives me 17. I'll divide both sides by 2. So this gives me, my x is 17 over 2. or also 8.5 inches long. Um, what is the value of x? No, we don't have a unit for that. But the value of x is actually 8.5 inches long. Now, if we want to verify that xr is also 22, we can plug this x to this 2x plus 5. So if we do that, we will have xr is equal to 2 times 17 over 2 plus 5. Of course, 2 is the same as 2 over 1, so that will be canceled out. That will be 1. So 1 times 17 gives you, of course, 17 plus 5, that gives you 22. So this is 22, our xr, and our y is, of course, 22. So that is equal. All right. Thank you for watching, guys. Questions? Leave it on the comment section.